Hi, welcome back. Formula 6, average of two or multiple values we're going to see in this session. Okay. If you would like to learn more things like this, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. And when it talks about, okay, average, let's see how it works. So if you take like in an example, simple example, you will take, okay. So you have all these 4 5s are there. Okay. Let me take average of these values. Okay. How do I take that? That I'm going to see that. So generally what happens? So average how it works. So if you take, let me take the sum equal to this, this, okay, you got a sum. So how many values are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if I divide with 4 values, okay. So let's try, let me put the result here. Okay. Match equal to this one divided by 4, or else you can take this cell. Okay. You got average of 5. So let me show you this one. So equal to, so you can see this average, select this, and so this, just select, we'll get an average as a 5 resulted value. Let's try to change some values here. For example, let me take it 30. So see, you look at this average by formula, how it is calculated. This is manual calculation. It is divided by 4 values. Let's try to, okay, let's try to do one thing. Let's try to change another value, 4. Okay, you are getting. So 44, it is divided by 4. Okay. So your cell value, this one, okay, let me put this formula here. Okay. Okay. Let's cancel here. You can see this. This is E20 is divided with this one. Okay. So this is how it works. Let me try to increase this value so that average will be calculated. Basically, let me show you with simple example. 45, 45, and so average will come by 3 means. So 45 only will get it. Okay. But if you change values, okay. So let me try to open this. Same value means you will get the same value as average. But if you change this value as 90, so average will be changed. So that means, so 45 may, so this total will be 180, right? So let's try to do it at row wise for manual formula. Okay. So for this, go to the sum. Simple, this one. So make a sum of this value. How many values are there? 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3 values, right? Three values are there. So then equal to this divided by 3. Okay. Total number of values divided by total value is the formula. 60, you got it, right? So it's the same thing, you got it. This is how average works. Okay. So what is the basic advantage we are doing all these formulas? So let me do this. So see, it is calculating these much bigger values, you cannot able to calculate it, right? Let's take. So see, you are getting average like this of all these values. Okay. Suppose, let me try to add this value. It won't add automatically. So this is, let's try to change it to T16. So you got an average. Okay. So this is how it works. So like this is the average. So you can able to try some examples on your own. Thanks. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Have a great day.